Digital marketing is the process of using online channels to reach and engage with potential customers. It's a rapidly growing field, and there's a high demand for skilled digital marketers. There are many reasons why you should learn digital marketing. Here are a few. It's the future of marketing. More and more people are spending time online, so businesses need to be where their customers are. Digital marketing is the best way to reach and engage with customers online. It's a great way to grow your business. Digital marketing can help you attract new customers, increase sales, and build brand awareness. It's a versatile skill. Digital marketing skills can be applied to a variety of industries, so you'll have a lot of job opportunities. It's fun and rewarding. If you're creative and enjoy working with technology, then you'll love digital marketing. So, those are just a few reasons why you should learn digital marketing. If you're interested in learning more, there are a lot of great resources available online. I encourage you to check them out and start your journey to becoming a digital marketer today. Visit my website to learn more about digital marketing.